In this video we discuss the retirement year of WWE wrestlers and also discuss the reason. John Cena. John Cena started wrestling in 1999 and retired in 2025. Reason: retired after feeling his physical performance was declining and wanting to make room for younger talent. Mick Foley. Mick Foley started wrestling in 1983 and retired in 2012. Reason: retired due to years of brutal hardcore wrestling and heavy physical damage to his body. Andre the Giant. Andre the Giant started wrestling in 1966 and retired in 1992. His wrestling career ended due to serious health problems. AJ Styles. AJ Styles started wrestling in 1999 and retired in 2026. Retired to spend more time with his family and end his career while he was still performing at a high level rather than risking a decline in his performance. Scott Hall. Scott Hall started wrestling in 1984 and retired in 2010. Reason: retired after dealing with injuries, addiction issues and declining health. Trish Stratus. Trish Stratus started wrestling in 2000 and retired in 2006. Retired to support her mother after her decease. Steve Austin. Steve Austin started wrestling in 1989 and retired in 2003. Retired after neck injuries and ongoing knee problems that affected his career. Randy Savage. Randy Savage started wrestling in 1973 and retired in 2000. Reason: stepped away from wrestling due to injuries and declining physical conditions. Goldberg. Goldberg started wrestling in 1997 and retired in 2025. Retired due to age and physical limitations, choosing to prioritize his family and health. Michael MC Cool. Michael MC Cool started wrestling in 2004 and retired in 2011. Reason: retired to focus on her personal life. Later she made occasional WWE appearances. Ric Flair. Ric Flair started wrestling in 1972 and retired in 2022. Retired after his age and physical limitations made continuing in ring competition increasingly difficult. The Great Khali. The Great Khali started wrestling in 2000 and retired in 2018. Stepped away from wrestling due to age and declining in-ring condition. Bret Hart. Bret Hart started wrestling in 1978 and retired in 2000. Retired after suffering a serious concussion during a WCW match in 1999. Kurt Angle. Kurt Angle started wrestling in 1998 and retired in 2019. Retired after years of neck injuries, painkiller issues and physical damage from wrestling. Rick Rude. Rick Rude started wrestling in 1982 and retired in 1994. Retired after suffering a serious back injury during a wrestling match. Mark Henry. Mark Henry started wrestling in 1996 and retired in 2017. Retired due to injuries and focus on backstage and talent development roles. Big E. Big E started wrestling in 2009 and retired in 2026. Retired after neck injury in 2022. Ended his in-ring wrestling career. Booker T. Booker T started wrestling in 1989 and retired in 2012. Stepped away from full-time wrestling because of age and long-term physical wear on his body. The Iron Sheik. The Iron Sheik started wrestling in 1972 and retired in 2000. Retired due to age, injuries and long-term physical damage from wrestling. Ultimate Warrior. Ultimate Warrior started wrestling in 1985 and retired in 2008. Retired after repeated disputes with wrestling promotions and shifted his focus toward public speaking and other projects. Junkyard Dog. Junkyard Dog started wrestling in 1977 and retired in 1995. Left wrestling due to age and declining physical condition late in his career. Triple H. Triple H started wrestling in 1992 and retired in 2022. Retired after a serious heart condition. Ahmed Johnson. Ahmed Johnson started wrestling in 1989 and retired in 2003. Retired due to constant injuries and serious health problems during his career. Sting. Sting started wrestling in 1985 and retired in 2024. Retired after his final AEW run and due to concerns about his age and physical condition. Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan started wrestling in 1977 and retired in 2025. Stepped away from wrestling after multiple surgeries and serious back problems. Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar started wrestling in 2000 and retired in 2026. Retired due to physical toll of wrestling and a desire to spend more time with his family while ending his career on his own terms. Salute to all of them.